Hey business owners and entrepreneurs, this message is for you. Listen carefully. Many gurus and successful people said, if you are a good entrepreneur, you shouldn't work for your business. Instead of your team and your system and your procedure should work for your business and bring lots of productivity, money, especially time freedom. How it happens? It is very simple thumb rule. If you follow, you can get that. Taking care of your team members, because the team members are your asset. If you utilize them properly, definitely your productivity, your money will be multiplying by the effort. You shouldn't want to work, right? Just delegate them, inform them what they want exactly, your results, your vision, your mission, and your revenue. Everything, if you give them properly, definitely they will do for you, unless or until if you don't take care of them. If you put their shoes on and think their perspective, if you fulfill their needs, definitely they won't think unnecessarily, and then 100% they put effort in your business and bring everything. So please take care of your team members and fulfill their needs. Definitely they will work for you.